Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Milestone of a million on India's COVID 19 numbers. Deaths remain low, but India must fight the virus, not manage the data. India was hoping that the extended lockdown alone might help it win the battle against the novel coronavirus, but the microbe has been spreading with renewed vigor. So much so that on July 16, the number of confirmed infections and deaths crossed grim milestones 1,025,000 respectively. If it took 109 days to reach 1 lakh cases, but just 15 days to double the days taken to add each additional 1 lakh cases have been shrinking. The last two additions of 1 lakh cases to reach 1 million took just 3 days each, while the rising fresh cases reported each day could be ascribed to increased testing. The underlying reason for the case rise is undoubtedly the widespread of the virus in the community. With surveillance not being commendable, the 10.3% test positivity rate nationally in the last few days shows that a very large pool of infections remains undiagnosed, though the number of tests done daily has now crossed 3 lakh. The high test positivity rate underscores the need to increase the number of daily tests by at least a few fold. Any delay in tracing, testing, and isolating the infected and their contacts will only lead to an unimaginable spread of the virus. As already seen in a few Indian cities, a cascade of events beginning with a delay in disease detection can overwhelm the healthcare system to negatively impact the case fatality rate, which is currently very low. Kerala, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh, which initially appeared to have contained the virus spread, have seen sharp surges. If Bengaluru bucked the trend in the early stage, it has become a standing example of how the cookie crumbles when cases spike and the system is not fully geared for the challenges. Aggressive tracing and testing helped Chennai reduce the surge, but the coming days will reveal if its 12-day lockdown in June had greatly contributed to this, while Delhi appears to have hammered down the test positivity rate in recent weeks over reliance on rapid antigen tests which have low sensitivity raises concern about true case detection. Maharashtra appears to have pulled off a coup in Dharavi through outstanding work, but like Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, the state has been witnessing a spike in other districts. With a 9.1% test positivity rate, Gujarat has made no attempts to greatly increase daily tests but instead appears to be disingenuously limiting the number of daily tests to keep fresh cases per day under check. Telangana, too, with a test positivity rate of 18.4%, has made no great effort to increase daily tests, which have crossed 13,000 only in the last couple of days. Telangana defies the trend of rising cases during the pandemic, raising serious concern about its numbers. Examples such as New York have shown that it is never too late to bend the curve, but for that, state need to fight the virus, not manage the data. Stop. Thank you.